नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इयत्ता 8वी इंग्रजी विषयातील 1.1 बी द बेस्ट या युनिटवरील इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप पाहणार आहोत. If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the rill. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass and some highway happier make. If you can't be a muskie, then just be a bass, but the liveliest bass in the lake. We can't all be captains, we have got to be crew. There is something for all of us here. There is big work to do and there is lesser to do. And the task you must do is the near. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are.